So, Samsung's next big foldable just got real. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra has officially shown up on India's BIS database. And on top of that, a tipster just dropped what appears to be the full spec sheet for both the Ultra and the standard Fold 8. We're talking chipset details, camera setups, battery sizes, thickness, all of it. Let's break it down fast. BIS listing, what it means. Tipster Sanju Kodori leaked a BIS listing dated June 5th with the model number SM-F976B. That's the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Now, the BIS listing itself doesn't reveal any specs, but getting certified by India's Bureau of Indian Standards means one thing. Launch is coming, and it's coming soon. Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra specs breakdown. Let's start with the Ultra. On the outside, you're getting a 6.5-inch M14 cover display. Open it up, and you've got an 8.0-inch M13 foldable inner screen, both at 120 Hz. Now, the cameras. This is where it gets wild. Triple rear setup, a massive 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom. For selfies, there are two 10-megapixel cameras, one on each screen side. Under the hood, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, paired with UFS 4.0 storage. Battery steps down slightly to 4,800 milliamps, but charging speeds are identical, 45-watt wired, 25-watt wireless. And here's a number that'll blow your mind. When unfolded, this thing is just 4.1 millimeters thin. Galaxy Z Fold 8 specs breakdown. Now, the standard Fold 8. Cover display here is a 5.4-inch M14 panel, and the inner foldable screen is a 7.6-inch M14 display, again, both at 120 Hz. Camera setup is a dual system this time, a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, same dual 10-megapixel selfie cameras as the Ultra. It runs the same Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and UFS 4.0 storage. Battery steps down slightly to 4,800 milliamps, but charging speeds are identical, 45-watt wired, 25-watt wireless. Thickness when unfolded, 4.5 millimeters. Slightly thicker than the Ultra, but still insanely slim for a foldable. So to recap, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is BIS certified. Launch is around the corner. And if these leaked specs are accurate, Samsung is going absolutely all out this year. A 200-megapixel camera on a foldable, sub 4.2 millimeter unfolded thickness, and the latest Snapdragon chip, this could be the foldable that changes everything. Drop a comment. Are you more excited for the Ultra or the standard Fold 8? Let me know below. If you're new here, subscribe. We cover every major leak before anyone else. Hit the bell, and I'll catch you in the next one.